Today we're talking about 3 houseplants for coffee lovers. First up we have coffee plant. This beautiful plant, scientifically known as Coffee Arabica, is not just a stunning houseplant, but can also produce actual coffee beans if you give it the right conditions. It's like having your mini coffee farm right at home. Next we have the Peperomia caperata, or as I like to call it, the ripple peperomia. Its textured dark green leaves resemble coffee beans, and it's an ideal choice to add that coffee-inspired vibe to your space. Plus it's super easy to care for, making it perfect for plant enthusiasts of all levels. And last but not least we have the jasmine plant. While it may not be directly related to coffee, the fragrance of jasmine flowers can remind you of the aromatic notes in your favorite brew. It's a wonderful addition to your coffee nook, providing a delightful scent and delicate blooms. Whether you want to grow your coffee beans or simply enjoy the aesthetics of your daily brew, these plants will bring a touch of coffee into your home. Do you have them? Let us know. Thanks for watching.